Hey guys, it's me Kara, Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, and POPUP is live right now, so go check it out. System's going okay. They opened it at 8 o'clock this morning, but really it was more like 8:10. I found out last night around midnight because I just asked a question to Boxycharm and they answered it. So please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because last night at midnight I was able to post a notification to my subscribers that pop-up was going to happen at 8 a.m. EST. And there are things that are sold out, so which surprises me, because Monday and Wednesday, there were a lot more other things. There were MAC lipsticks and llama socks and the pink and purple eyeshadow palettes, so those are not in there. I was not successful in Monday getting a order through. On Wednesday I was, and I have an unboxing video, so check that out. I think it's my last video that I uploaded. So hit like on this video if it helped you out. Go get it. Go to POPUP. And hit subscribe and the notification bell. That way you guys will know when I post like breaking news like this, because again I was able to tell my subscribers around midnight. My email, they had emailed me. I asked them a question and they emailed me, and that email came in around like 7:30, but I didn't see it until like midnight. So that's how I found out. I was emailing them about my previous pop-up order, and I just said, hey, when's the next pop-up? Doesn't hurt to ask, right? And they wrote back, hey, it's tomorrow morning. So right now it's like 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. The socks fit great. The socks are still in there. There's not the blue llama socks, but there's other socks. And I don't know, go get it. And the other eyeshadow palette is the really big one. It's the Butter London. It's worth like $65, but they're selling it for $12. That was in the pop-up in July. So that one is still available. It's very nice. And we have construction going on a little bit down the way because this guy's house got washed away by one of the storms that we got. So you can see a crane back there. Yeah, it's loud. So, okay guys, thank you so much for watching this. Spread the news, tell your neighbors, tell your friends, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I will be launching my Palette of the Week giveaway for the holiday season, most likely in the next video. Okay guys, so I will see you soon. Have a good one. Bye.